How to sign up in Line. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, open the Line app on your device. On the welcome screen, tap on the sign up button. Next, you will be asked to select your country. Scroll through the list and choose the country you currently live in. Then look towards the bottom of the screen and click on Continue with Google. Now a list of Google accounts will appear. Choose the Google account you wish to use for signing up. At this stage, type your name into the provided field. This will become your display name that your friends will see. Once you have entered your name, tap on the arrow icon at the bottom to proceed further. Now it's time to create a strong password for your account. After entering your password, you will be asked to re-enter it again to confirm. Finally, once you have confirmed your password, click on the arrow icon again to complete the sign up process. And there you have it. You have successfully signed up for Line account.